morning all of you. Are you all fine? I hope all are fine. Today in the exercise 3.1 remaining two sums they are there. Okay. So question number 6 seesaw. What is this shape? You know, 5 sides are there. So this shape is pentagon. Okay. We have to find the x angle. This x angle will be equally. Okay. So first you find this angle. This is a straight line. This straight line. Okay. Straight angle is 180 degree. 180 degree. So 180 degree, this minus 70 degree is equal to what is the answer? 110. So this angle is 110. Next, here this also straight angle. Here outside angle is given 60 degree. So what is the inside angle? 120 degree, because 180 minus 60 degree is equal to 120. Now in this pentagon, how many triangles are there? You know, 5 sides are there. If there is 5 sides, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 triangles are there. Okay, 3 triangles are there. So sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So 3 into 180 degree is equal to 540 degree. So these angles we have to equal for 540 degree. What is that angles? Here 110 degree plus here 120 degree plus x plus 30 degree plus x. So 110 plus 120 plus x plus 30 plus x. Okay, is equal to 540 degree. Now x plus x 2x. X plus x 2x plus angles 110 plus 120 230. 230 plus 30 260 is equal to 540 degree. Okay, now this 260 degree transpose to RHS. 2x is equal to 540 degree minus 260 degree. Okay, so what is the answer now? 280. 540 minus 260 degree is equal to 280. 2x is equal to 280. So x is equal to this transpose to RHS. It will come in the division. So 280 degree divided by 2. 280 degree divided by 2 is equal to 140 degree. So x angle is 140 degree. Here also 140. Here also 140. You understand? So x is equal to 140 degree. This is the answer. Okay. Once again, see, this is the straight line, straight angle. So 180 minus 70 degree is equal to interior angle is 110. Next, this also straight angle. So 180 minus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. This is the pentagon. Pentagon means 3 triangles will be there. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So 3 into 180 degree is equal to 540 degree. Next, we have to add these 5 angles. Then equal for 540. 110 plus 120 plus x plus 30 plus x is equal to 540 degree. Then x plus x 2x. These angles add and write, that is 260 degree is equal to 540. Then this 260 transpose to RHS, it becomes in minus 540 minus 260 degree is equal to 280. Okay, so x value is, x angle is 280 divided by 2 is equal to 140. So x angle is 140. Here also 140. Then here in the opposite also 140 degree. Understand? Then next, 7th Roman B sum. We have to find x plus y plus z plus w. See here, x, exterior angle, y, z and w. What shape is this? You know, quadrilateral. Okay, this is quadrilateral. Then and another one, this is a straight angle. So we can find x angle and y angle, z angle and w. Okay. So now what is the x angle? See here, straight angle 180 minus 120. 180 minus 120. What is the answer? 60 degree. So x is equal to 60 degree. Then next y. 180 minus 80 degree is equal to 100. So y is equal to 100. Next z. 180 minus 60 degree is equal to 120. That means z equal to 120. Then next, already we know these three angles, but we do not know this angle. Okay, so the sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So add these three angles and we can find this angle from 360 degree. 60 plus 80, 140. Okay, 60 plus 80, 140. 140 plus 120, 260. So 260. Sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Remaining three angles are 260. What is the next angle? 360 degree minus 260 degree is equal to 100. Okay. It is 100 means what is this angle? 180 minus 100 degree is equal to 80 degree. So W is equal to 80 degree. Now we can find x plus y plus z plus w. So x plus y plus z plus w is equal to x angle 60 degree, y angle 100 degree, z angle 120 degree plus w angle 80 degree. Okay, add this 60 plus 100, 160. 160 plus 120, 160 plus 120, 280. 280 and 80, 280 plus 80, 360. So what is the answer now? 360 degree. So x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360 degree. This is the answer. Okay, students. Understand? In this chapter, next property is the sum of the angles of the external angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Okay, external angles of any polygon. Okay, it can be any polygon. See here, this is triangle. Okay, so the sum of the angles of external angles of any polygon is any polygon. This is triangle, this is quadrilateral, likewise any polygon. Okay, but external angles of sum of, okay, the sum of external angles is 360 degree. This is the property. Okay, the sum of the angles of the external angles of any polygon. This 3 sides, 4 sides, if it is 5 sides, if it is 6 sides, if it is 12 sides. For any polygon also, external angles will be 360 degree. By using this property, we going to find the values. Okay. See here, example 1. Find measure x. Find measure x. We have to find the x angle. See here, this is the quadrilateral, and 3 angles are given. External angles. This is 90 degree, and here 50 degree, and here 110 degree. So we have to use this property. Solution. Okay, the sum of angles of the external, the sum of angles of the external angles is 360 degree. Of any polygon also we can write. So we have to equal to 360 degree. What is that angles? X plus 90 degree plus 50 degree plus 110 degree is equal to 360 degree. Add three angles. 90 degree plus 50 degree, 140. 140 plus 110, 250 degree. So x plus 250 degree is equal to 360 degree. Then this 250 transposed to RHS, it becomes in minus. So 360 degree minus 250 degree is equal to 110. Okay, so x angle is 110. The sum of angles of the external angles is 360 degree. We have to equal for 360 degree. Here given three angles, we have to find fourth angle. Okay, 90 degree plus 50 degree plus 110 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. Then three angles addition is 250 degree. X plus 250 is equal to 360. So what is the remaining angle? X is equal to 110 degree. We can see next example also. Next in the exercise 3.2, page number 44, first question, find x. We have to find the x. Okay, we have to use that property. The sum of measures of angles of external angles is 360 degree. Okay, we have to use that property and find x angle. Okay, so first the sum of measures of external angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Then this is triangle. So what is the external angle? See here, x degree plus 125 degree plus 125 degree is equal to 360 degree. Okay, so now 125 plus 125, what is the answer? 250 degree. So x degree plus 250 degree is equal to 360 degree. Okay, so next x is equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree. What is the answer? X is equal to 110 degree. Okay, so this is the x angle for A sum. Next, see the B sum. See here, only given two angles. Here 60 degree and here 70 degree. See here, wherever they mark like this box, there is 90 degree. Okay, so if it is 90 degree, outside also will be 90 degree. Okay, see here also marked like this box. So here also 90 degree. Now, by using this same property, okay, I didn't write it here. So we can go to the answer now. X degree plus 90 degree plus 60 degree. Next one is 90 degree plus next one is 70 degree is equal to 360 degree. Next, add all the angles. 90 degree plus 60 degree, 150. 150 plus 90 degree, 240. 240 plus 70 degree, 310. So x degree plus 310 is equal to 360 degree. This 310 degree transposed to RHS. So 360 minus 310. What is the angle? X degree is equal to 50 degree. Okay, x degree is equal to 50 degree. This is the answer for sum number B. Okay, this is x is equal to 110 degree is the answer for A. Then x is equal to 50 degree, answer for B. Thank you, students.